Okay. So there are multiple ways. One is the mentioning the name. Another one is RGB color, red, green, and blue. We can give three values as here we see the syntax of RGB is RGB of and colors. So we quickly see what happens if the color will be given like that. It is not mandatory to remember all the RGB values. It will be go as like this. The RGB color ranges value ranges between 102 and 255. Okay, we can give any value between that. Like if I remove this, or so I'll give 255 here, 0 here, and 0 here. It will be directly goes to red because first value is given and the other two values were not given. So it will take only red color like this. So like that we can interchange the colors. So both the 255s will give yellow or I can give only 0. It will turn to green. I can give here 255. It will turn to sky blue or I will give only 255 at last. So in this way we can change the values. And also in the Visual Studio we have the facility to change here like what color we want to. So in that way it will also change here also. See the last value is coming. Other than the three values, there will be also one value at last. The fourth value is called as axis. Means it will set the opacity. Like if we didn't give this, it is getting black. If I remove that, it will give this color. But what if we give one value? The opacity will increase like this. For I will take red value. Sorry, someone is saying. So we can know exact situation what opacity will do here. It will increase the opacity. What if we give 0.55? It will reduce the intensity like this. Means it will be a little bit transparent color. That's why it is written. The alpha parameter is a number between 0 point and 1 point. Means 0 is the fully transparent and 1 is the not transparent at all. Means it will give high opacity. Okay. Another method is HX, HEX. HEX stands for hexadecimal value. We know that hexadecimal has 16 values, ranges from 0 to 9 and A to F, I think, A is H. So 0 to 9 and A to H. We give HEX of, sorry, for using hexagonal value, we give hashtag FF F, F, F. We are giving six values because first two values refers red color, second two values refers green color, and last two values refers blue color. I will show the formula. See here, RR red, GG green, BB blue. So like that we can give, for example, first FF we give and all the zeros is displayed as red because red is set to its highest value. As we said, the last one is F value, and the others are set to the lowest value, 0, 0. What if we do like this, all zeros, it will give black color. Like this, it will give white color. Okay. I may not save that. It will give white color. It will give black if we specify all zeros. Only six values will be given. Yes, we can give also three values representing red, green, and blue. Okay. So in this way, there is another method. The last method is HSL value. HSL stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. The first value will decide the color of the uh, means color of the element. The other two values will refer. 1 minute, there is a ribbon. So here, the saturation is a percentage value, means a shade of gray. 0% means a shade of gray, and 100% is full color. Lightness is percentage, 0% is black, and 50% is neither light nor black. 100% is white. Like that, we can give HSL value also. For as same as RGB, we can give HSL of hue, saturation, and lightness. So here we can give uh, values like 0 to 360. 0 is red, 120 is green, and 240 is blue, like that. So we can give 2. It will be visible as slightly red. We can give percentage here, 25% as saturation, 50% is lightness. So it is giving this color. We can increase saturation to 100. It will give full reddish color. So like that, we have these four types. One is value, another one is RGB color, another one is HVX, another one is HSL. Don't be confused between these. We can give any type of value in CSS. And we come to our next topic is border, margin, and padding. Yeah, CSS border style. The border style property specifies what kind of border to display. There are multiple border styles like dotted, dashed, solid, double, groove, ridge, inside, outside. All we can see all the properties here. So I will give table as the border. I will remove this. I will use one table here. I will also write another table. Okay. Another table. So I'm giving this one ID table So for applying, I want to show one thing. If we save this and view like that, we don't have any border lines here. How we apply border lines? By specifying one thing is when we can specify border equal to, I've shown this in previous classes. We can give this also. And another one is we can add in CSS. First of all, I want to view that one as okay. View that one as center. How can we select ID? By giving hashtag, hashtag table. Text align center. It is not giving that value. So for value for table, it is not give. We should not give a text align. I will discuss later how to center the table. Okay. First, we give the border. I will remove this also. Here the border is, I will give for TH, comma, TD for both the TH means table head and table data. I will give border. See, in border, there are multiple ways to give the border. First, I'm giving one way, one px solid. Okay. So it is giving for every element. In this way, we can give the border. It is not combining because we didn't give here TR also. Okay. It is not getting. What else we did? TH, TD, TR. Mm. We can give instead of solid, we can give dashed. So there are some values like that. Okay. Is giving only doubled. Okay, let us see the all the values. First one is solid. We see in solid. So we can specify border in multiple ways. As I said, style. Style attribute specifies dash, dotted, double, groove, hidden, inherit, all these things. I give dotted. And border color. We can give color to the border. And border width. We can give width to the border, like 1 px. So it is shown like this. It will be dotted and border. I will change the font size. Okay, you can see the border is dotted given like that. So we can give all the three values in the same line as border. One is um, okay, dashed. I will give dashed style blue color 2px size. You can give like this also. So it is giving 2px size, border color. And
Dinesh,
yes, ma'am.
use border collapse,
Okay.
border dash collapse, collapse.
It is showing single line. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yeah.
use the instead of dotted thing, use solid border style.
So for first, yeah, okay, I will remove this. Yeah, it is showing the single line. Okay. Okay, like that we can give any style for our requirement. Dash it is showing like this. Dashed, groove, hidden, inherit, initial, inset and outset. We can see for headings. Like I am giving H1. This is table. Okay, I'm giving to the first. For that, we can give style. Inset. So it is showed as here like that. So it will give only upper part of the border and the lower part is slightly transparent. Like that we can give outset also. It will be reverse. It will be like that. We can give multiple things like a groove. We can also specify multiple styles like one is dotted, dashed, solid, mm, what another, mm, groove. See, one is getting dotted, one is groove, one is dashed, and one is solid. What is the difference between solid and groove? It will be slightly gray color, unlike solid. Okay. So in that way, we can give borders and border colors, uh, border width, and all that. So another important topic is margin and padding. For looking eye-catchy website, we can use margin for our website. Like we can give for the body also or for table. I will use for table here. I will give. Okay. I will give table, or else I gave here. I will remove this because it didn't work. Margin 25%. I will apply 25% first. So it is giving 25% margin. What is margin actually? Margin gives the corner, means we have this layout, right? So for this layout, it is giving space 25% uh, to be in center. Like that, we can give the margin in all ways. Okay. Margin has attributes like margin top, margin bottom.
Dinesh, can we increase the box sizes of table?
Sorry, ma'am.
Can we increase the box sizes of table?
Yes, ma'am. We can increase with the margin and padding also. I will show like that. We can, or else I will use padding. Padding 5px. I will give 5px.
What is the difference between padding and margin then?
Padding will give from the corner, but margin will give from the corner, but padding will give within the element, means inside the element. This is one element. It is a H element, head element. So inside the element, it is giving the padding, but margin
Mhm.
give uh, from the side of
Okay.
uh,
From the left side or
layout.
right side, wherever
Yeah,
it is.
or else I will show one picture. With this, you can understand, ma'am. So this is margin. This is the outer layout of the website. margin will be here. So padding will pads the space between border and content, like element,
Okay.
like that.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Yeah. So in this way we can give the space, or else we can give only top space by using padding left, padding right, same as margin. Padding left 5px. So it is giving only 5px from the left side, like that. Or else we can give all the values top, bottom, left by using shorthand operator like 5px space, or else yeah, space 2px 3px 6px. So before we have all all the element is with equal percentage of spacing. Now the bottom is different spacing, upper one is different spacing, and the left side different spacing, and right side is different. In this way, we can give the padding same as margin also. If I give values here, it is not applied because we gave padding here, I think. Yeah. So for the table, I will remove this. It is somewhat increased. I will give big numbers to show the difference. Like the top and bottom. If we give right side value, it will be applied to the right, or else I think it is left. Yeah. For the left side. By adjusting the padding and margin, we can give our content wherever we want. There is another option also in CSS. Um, we can give the content to the corner, top corner by mentioning top corner, top left, right corner, right left. I will discuss that later. So in this way, we can give margin and the padding. So I think you understand the difference between margin and padding. Other people. So refer this content which I am posting in the group for your better understanding. I write all the things. If we give one first value, second value, third value, fourth value, it will represent as top one, uh, right one, left one, and bottom one. If we give three values, the first one is top, and the second one is for both right and left, and the third one is for bottom. If we give only two values, first one takes top and left, second one takes right and bottom. If we give only one value, it will apply to all the borders, top, left, right, and bottom. Okay. Same with padding also. So difference between padding and margin, I will give this picture. I will post this picture with you. You can refer that. So is there any doubts regarding this? You can ask. Is there any doubts? Okay, no doubts. I'm ending the session. Sir wants to say to you people like please put mark the attendance sheet. I'm forgetting the attendance sheet link to send. I will send tomorrow today. Please mark your attendance. Okay, I'm ending the session. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all, guys.
Thank you, Dinesh.
Yeah.